Alright, hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Mr. Twister WX, and right now you are looking at our day 1 convective outlook. We have a marginal risk of severe weather for all of West Virginia, eastern Kentucky, most of Virginia, southern Pennsylvania, and southern and southeastern Ohio. So this comes with a 2% tornado risk in portions of western West Virginia and eastern Kentucky along with southern Ohio, and another one near the Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania area. Also extends down to Richmond, Virginia. This also comes with a 5% wind risk, which covers all of the areas in our marginal risk, and I believe we do not have a hail risk. Oh, we do have a hail risk. So there's a hail risk for eastern Kentucky, same area as our wind risk. So that is what we are looking at in terms of severe weather today. Tomorrow, no thunderstorms forecast. And the day after, Thursday, no thunderstorms forecast. So overall today, we have an isolated 1 out of 5 risk for all hazards of severe weather today. Now we are going to take a look at the GFS where you can see all that rain and a little bit of snow in Michigan moving through with some potential severe weather today. Some of that will change to snow as it moves further northeast. And then our next major storm will be around January 2nd coming into Nebraska and Iowa where we'll have some snow. And that will move through and taper off. I shouldn't say a major storm, but definitely some snow. So that will taper off near West Virginia. But then on January 4th and 5th in Colorado, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, a major snowstorm will come through. So we could be seeing multiple inches of snow in some of these areas. So that snowstorm will move through, and as it moves further south, we'll see mainly rain, but definitely some snow in most of Kansas, central and southern Missouri, north and northwestern Oklahoma, mainly rain in central and southern, and then for Texas and Louisiana, mostly rain. This storm will continue to move out, and we do have the potential to see some severe weather return around January 6th. Not too concerned about it at the moment, though. And then another potential minor snowstorm on January 9th in Texas, so they may see some snow down there in southern Texas. And then this next snowstorm will move through around January 10th near Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. That'll move out, and that is what we are looking at in terms of snow right now in the GFS. Taking a look at our temperatures right now in the central U.S. where we are going to see these snowstorms move in, you can see Nebraska, Iowa, portions of northern Missouri and northern Kansas. You have some temperatures in the 20s and 30s, along with Wyoming and Colorado in the 20s and 30s. But as you move further south, where we'll see more rain totals towards Oklahoma and Arkansas, it heats up more into the 40s and 50s. Look at our fire weather outlook for day 1, today, December 31st, 2024. We have an elevated fire risk for areas of San Antonio, Texas, and just west of there. Elevated fire risk for areas north and west of Las Cruces, New Mexico. Hope I said that right. And another elevated fire risk near Los Angeles and Santa Barbara, California. Taking a look at our day 2 fire weather outlook, the area in Texas and New Mexico are removed, but that area in California continues to be an elevated fire risk. They will have dry, windy conditions and low humidity, I believe. So that is taking a look at our fire weather outlook. Lastly, we are going to take a look at our current weather alerts. So north of Boise, Idaho, we have a winter weather advisory in effect for the next 4 hours and 49 minutes for total snow accumulations 2 and 4 inches. And for portions of western Oregon, we have a winter weather advisory for 6 to 11 inches possible, and northern California. We also have a wind advisory in effect just west of Los Angeles for the next 49 minutes, winds gusting 25 to 40 miles per hour. Also, for context, the time of recording this is currently 11:11 a.m. Central. Also, we have some wind advisories for portions of Virginia expiring in the next 45 minutes. Kentucky, all for winds 15 to 40 miles per hour possible, and a high wind warning over here near the hot springs in Tennessee, I believe. I can't see the state border on that one. For winds gusting as high as 35 or 65 miles per hour, sustained 25 to 35 miles per hour. We also have a winter storm warning for eastern portions of West Virginia for the next 3 hours and 48 minutes. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 9 inches, winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Also, a winter weather advisory surrounding that for lower snow accumulations, and a special weather statement for Jackson, Kentucky, and another one for the Huntington, West Virginia area, and the Grayson, Kentucky area. These are for the next 18 minutes through 11:30 a.m. Central Time, 12:30 Eastern. So these are warning for winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour and pea-sized hail. Radar indicated gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around vegetation and unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. So, thank you all so much for watching. That is going to be the last forecast video of 2024, and I will see you all in the next one.